It's recording.
Okay, we're gonna be unboxing something special. It's a mystery item. No one knows what's in here.
What is it?
There's supposed to be a mouse pad, and a mouse in here, the Death Adder. So, let's get to the unboxing then, huh?
Shall we?
Okay. You see anything? No. Not yet.
Well, it looks mysterious. Looks like a can. What is that?
Wait, don't look yet. Alright.
Can I look?
Wait. Now you can look. Yeah. They said it was out of stock everywhere. They said that you couldn't get it no more. $700 on Amazon.ca? Yeah, you gotta be kidding me. Think I'm gonna pay $700? You're joking. Yeah, this is the real deal. You got Super Mario Odyssey included. You got the Switch with red Joy-Cons. Carrying case included. Box graphics are sick on it. Look at this. Official Nintendo Switch. The pre-orders are all out of stock because they're gone. You can't get this nowhere else.
I think I'm gonna cry.
And look at this. You see how it's all inside of Best Buy bags and you think it's from Best Buy? Yeah. It's from Walmart.
Are you kidding?
Yeah. Save money, live better. Walmart. Okay. And now you can actually touch the Switch.
Can you take this?
This? No, you have to. We're unboxing it now, so you have to record, please.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Focus.
Tap the screen.
Okay.
Okay. And yeah, so I was last minute. Here's the thing. Last minute we're in Walmart and I was thinking, you know what? Let me just get the Splatoon bundle cuz I was going to buy it anyway. I really didn't want to get it cuz I wanted this, and I this is just all what I wanted. So, what I did was I walked up to the counter to ask the guy to go open the case to get Splatoon 2 bundle. And then I see on a rack behind him, he has three Super Mario Odyssey bundles. I think it was 4. There was one covering. But anyway, all out of stock. You can't even go into a store. They're all out of stock everywhere. I thought that rack was for pre-orders and held items. It wasn't. I'm like, oh, let me just get that Super Mario Odyssey bundle, and yeah, we'll be good. And yeah, here we have it in our hands here. Sold out everywhere. Can't get it anywhere else. Has everything in it. Official. Yeah, basically, this is the Splatoon bundle, but you get Super Mario Odyssey, and you got your red Joy-Cons and limited edition carrying case. The box graphics are amazing, and it's sold out. Did I mention that? Yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. Okay, I haven't opened it up yet, anything, haven't even touched it really. I'm just super excited. So, down here, it actually accepts micro. I never knew this until I actually just saw the box. It's not regular micro SD, it's micro SD XC. So that's actually, I don't know what that stands for, but I know that this is specific for the Nintendo Switch.
I think I can qualify this as the best day ever for me.
Yeah, I know. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright. Very interesting. Now we're trying to open the box, and let's open it up right now. First time ever.
Oh!
Look at those
It's
Joy-Cons and that screen. Amazing. Alright, I hope I can take this all out without, wow, that's just the Switch right there. Look at this. And there's a box included, and there's still cables, I believe, maybe?
Oh
under
my
it.
god.
Oh!
And there's,
wait.
Is that the physical copy? Oh, no.
Oh my god. Oh, wait. Do they include, is it a download, or is it downloaded on, oh
Download.
shoot, okay, I gotta block that out. Anyways, let's see what this is about. We got a limited edition, is this Cappy? Limited edition Cappy, case right here. That is pretty sweet. Nintendo Switch,
Odyssey.
Nintendo, it's nice and, like, you can see it's very well designed, and it feels like it's like a vinyl. It's like so premium in the touch. Look at this. Wow, I mean, there's no Nintendo sign on it, but I could care less. Let's unzip it and see what's inside. Wow. So the quality here is actually really nice. It feels more like a wax that's covering the case's zip up. And it's like, it fully encloses everything, meaning nothing can get out of the case, which that's what you want if you're traveling. Okay, and here we have something similar to like a 3DS case where you actually have your cartridges where you can slot in on these like elastic bands there, and also got like sort of something like a mesh where you can also store extra games or maybe like a charging cable or any other accessories you want. This is bound to the case, which I never reviewed. I've never seen any reviews for the case, so I haven't seen this whole like anything in here, so this is interesting. So it's bound to the case, which is not bad. I mean, you put your switch at the bottom, you got everything set at the top, and it has enough space. It feels very sturdy, like it won't break. So that is pretty premium, and it looks really awesome. That's cool. Alright, let's put that aside. And let's see what else is inside of this box. Let me just okay. So it's on the back, I believe. Um, so here's a full game download code for the game, I believe. And let me see. Yes, so I believe it's in the back, but that's that. That's pretty much the code for the game, and then yeah, there's nothing back there. But that's that, and that's pretty awesome. You got the game download. I would have personally liked if they made it so that
Physical.
you could get like a physical copy. I mean,
With the
it's obviously
cartridge.
it's actually like you can fit the whole box, the game right there actually. So if they did that, that would have been cool. But I'm not complaining. I'm getting the game, which that's the one I wanted. So perfect. So here it looks like we
Wrist
have
strap.
the one
Wrist
of
straps.
the wrist straps. I'm
Yep.
not sure if it includes. Oh,
It does.
and there's another one. These actually retail for $10 Canadian. And these probably yeah, they include them for free obviously because you need them. Not really for free, but I'm not sure if it includes it in the original Nintendo Switch uh system, but it includes it inside of this bundle, so that's pretty cool. But they go for $10 each, so that's like $20 right there. That's pretty cool, and that's Canadian. Um, Also, let's see what we have here. Ooh, I
Hmm.
think I know what this is.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
it's the thing.
Wow. So, this is actually the grip. If you wanted to play, with, your Joy Cons on one and the other side, you can play like that, and it actually feels extremely nice to the touch. It's nice and cool, obviously, because it's cold over here. But, yeah, and I believe they have one where you can actually buy separately that's similar to this, and which can help you with charging times and such. This just shows your
I
battery
think you
life
could
and
charge it.
or your charge and
No,
such,
I
and
think you could actually charge it at like the.
this one I think might be a little bit different. This one they
Oh.
just include for free, right? I think they include for free.
Yeah.
Um. Anyway, that's that. That's nice. You put your Joy Cons on the side. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's put this in here and continue. Okay. What else we have in here? We got standard HDMI cables in there, or just
Mhm.
one cable that I see. It says Nintendo on it, so that's pretty premium, I guess. Usually games just come with, or game systems just come with an HDMI cable that doesn't have a brand name on it. But that's pretty nice. You got Nintendo in there. So that's how you can tell it came from Nintendo. It's official, and you can charge overpriced if you want to